That was bad, right? Look at my fingers. I'm just going to make a small salad, summer salad, that you might want to try at home. And I'm going to start with these tomatoes. And I'm going to cut them up. And I'm just kind of forcing them, if you can see that. Oh my gosh. Again, I'll make it keto because I'm going to add some fat to it. Lots of good fat. And remember guys, sometimes if you think something is not keto because maybe it has too much stuff in it, then do cut down the portion size. If that's it, add more fat to it. Do what you need to do. I am a really big believer in just good food. Summer salads, they're my thing. Okay, here we go. And so when I think of summer salads, I sometimes do lettuce, I do. But I also think of all the things that are going to come fresh in your garden. And this year, I think that I'm thinking a lot about the tomatoes, cucumbers, the other salads things, right? All the herbs and vegetables. Here we go. Okay, so I've got some tomato. Now, see this? Mint. Oh my god, that smells good. Okay. Mint, a little goes a long way, so you may not want to, excuse me dogs, you may not want to do a ton of it. So I'm going to throw it down, and we're just going to start chopping it. Now, I know a lot of people like just putting mint leaves, but I like to just kind of get the flavor. And when you cut it, the flavor comes out just a little bit more, I think. Here we go. Here we go. Try not to cut myself. It's just a bit of a sweeter. If you smell it, it just smells, smells sweeter. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we get some mint in here. And that's starting to look pretty. I just love these colors. Okay. Now I'm going to take some cheese. Let me just tell you what this has. 1 carb per ounce. Okay? And 6 fats. 4 proteins. So this is right where I like being. Yeah, no, I should open it up slowly and all that stuff. That's never going to be me. It's never going to be me. I just like getting this stuff open fast. I'm going to take this cheese right here. Now, please feel free to make it bigger. I'm just going to start putting little pieces of cheese in here. Whew. I am going to add some more tomato. Okay, and again remember, just do it where you're comfortable with whatever your keto is, right? You want it, some people can eat a little more stuff and stay in ketosis, and some people, they can't. So, if you can't, don't do it. Okay. Okay. Here we go. I gotta figure out what else I want to add to it. One nice thing about cooking. Guys, don't forget you want to add some fat. Yeah, baby. I mean, yes, that'd be good. Now, depending. Okay. You know what? I want it soaked. Okay, guys. Mint tomato goat cheese. I'm leaving it. That is beyond good, guys. That, let me show you one more time. I just think I need to show you one more time. Oh my God. That is beyond delicious. Add a little salt, whatever you want once you take it out, and it'll be perfect for you. Okay, guys, that was my second salad.